Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by inspecting the metal gas can and area. Look for rust, punctures, or a torn gasket. A compromised seal will leak vapors and liquid. Use a certified red metal can marked for gasoline and keep it upright. Once done, clear the area of ignition sources and wear gloves and eye protection. Don't fill inside garages or near pilot lights. Open-air filling reduces vapor buildup. Begin filling only after confirming the spout and vent move freely, and the can sits level on the ground. You'll fill the can slowly to control splashing and static. Put the can on the ground before you start. This grounds it and prevents sparks. Insert the spout fully into the pump nozzle or use the can's built-in spout, then begin a slow, steady flow. Fill only to the manufacturer's fill line so there's room for vapor expansion. If the pump clicks off, pause and wait a few seconds before trying again. Make sure the vent is open during filling to avoid pressure buildup. After filling, seal the can and secure the vent properly to prevent leakage and fumes. Wipe any spilled gasoline immediately and put the can upright in a ventilated, cool location away from living spaces. When transporting, keep the can low and restrained in the bed or trunk, not inside the passenger area. If you notice a leak, strong odor, or sputtering vent, stop using the can. Move it outdoors, clean residue, and replace the gasket or the entire can. Safety first, replace damaged cans immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.